Hi everyone, this is Millie Aquino, Nurse Educator, Berks Community Health Center. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Halloween and COVID-19. Many of the Halloween activities can be high risk for spreading viruses. So I want to talk to you about some safer alternatives that you may consider practicing during this Halloween weekend. If you're COVID-19 positive or may have been exposed to someone who is COVID-19 positive, please do not participate in the Halloween festivities and please do not hand out candy. If you're out and about, make sure that you carry hand sanitizer with you so that you can clean your hands often. Make sure you're wearing your protective mask at all times while you are celebrating Halloween. If you're preparing goodie bags, please wash your hands for a minimum of 20 seconds before and after preparing the bags. Please keep in mind that a costume mask is not a substitute for a cloth mask. In order for a mask to be protective, it needs to have 2 or more layers of breathable fabric, that it covers your mouth and nose and has no gaps in between. Do not wear a costume mask over your protective mask as it can impair your breathing. Instead, consider using a Halloween themed cloth mask. If screaming is likely at your event, practice greater distancing, because the greater the distance, the lower the risk of spreading respiratory viruses. I have some alternatives that you can potentially practice this Halloween weekend. A couple of lower risk activities that you can practice are carving or decorating pumpkins inside with family or outside with neighbors and friends while social distancing. Doing a Halloween outdoor trick-or-treat style scavenger hunt around your home while practicing social distancing. Some moderate risk activities can include participating in a one-way trick-or-treating where individually wrapped goodie bags are lined up for families to grab and go while they continue social distancing, such as placing bags at the end of your yard or at the end of your driveway for folks to pick up. Attending a Halloween costume party held outdoors where protective masks are used and people remain 6 feet apart or more. Having an outdoor Halloween movie night with local family and friends with people spaced at least 6 feet apart. Some higher risk activities that we're asking people to avoid are participating in traditional trick-or-treating where treats are handed to children door to door. Having trunk or treats where treats are handed out from the trunks of cars that are lined up in big parking lots. Attending crowded costume parties held indoors. Going to an outdoor haunted house where people may be crowded together and screaming. Going on hay rides or tractor-trailer rides with people who are not in your household. Using alcohol or drugs, of course, because it can impair your judgment and increase risky behavior. And traveling to a rural fall festival that is not in your community if you live in an area with community widespread COVID-19. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a nice day, and I hope you have a safe Halloween. Thank you.